Hello guys, I was struggling some time to how to create this tutorial, but now I'm going to create it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna teach you how to create a PowerPoint presentation under 15 minutes, and it's the first PowerPoint tutorial I'm speaking. I think I really want you to enjoy this, and if it is helpful for you, tell me in the comments. Okay, at first you need to purchase Microsoft Office. After purchasing, you have something like this PowerPoint. After you double click on it, it's open, and as you can see, the place like here come. The first thing you need to do is play a blank space. After that, you saw something like this. Okay, what we need to do, we need to understand what the PowerPoint do. The PowerPoint is a software for creating presentation for your classes, works, and your job that you have. Okay, at first what we should do, I will tell you completely everything in a complete course to how to use the PowerPoint, but for now I'm going to tell you the first things you need to create an quick and amusing PowerPoint under 15 minutes. Okay, after starting this lesson, I want to tell you PowerPoint presentation creating have 3 steps. The first step is where you only know how to use it and create a simple presentation. The step 2 is when you can use the template that the other persons made and make them, modify them like you want. And the step 3 is where you can create template by yourself and make them as beautiful as you want. Okay, at first you saw something like this. Don't be afraid. Just go to insert. Here you can use to create new slide. What a slide is? A slide is the where you show when you are going to present on the project or on the TV. What did you present? If you click here, the slideshow, it will present what you presented in the show. Okay, let me write something. For example, hello PowerPoint. Something we do in programming, hello Python, but now it's hello PowerPoint. As you can see, it's the presentation. You can see it's beautiful, amazing, and so powerful without doing anything. And you can show this to your manager or boss and they will love it. Okay, let's see how we can easy PowerPoint under 15 minutes just using the easy things that we have. Okay, at first we need to know how to add slides. We can come here to home and new slides. We can create title slide, title and content. You don't need to use any of them, but the blank slide is good thing. If you create blank slide, don't afraid. You can put note, picture or anything you want in this blank slide. How? You go to insert easily, and from the insert, you can insert many things, but the thing is important for now is that you are a beginner and don't know anything about PowerPoint. Because you don't know anything about PowerPoint, we don't use this page too much. We just this window too much. We just go to design, and from here you can choose a template that PowerPoint ready for you. You can browse for them if you have, but now you can use the template that already in PowerPoint. At first, when I use PowerPoint, I use this organic template that is beautiful and useful, but you can use the another templates. They are not very beautiful, but they are doing the works and doing the work great. For example, let's use organic. As you can see, we choose the organic. From here, you can change the color, for example, to darker color, and you can also change the font. For example, I pick Georgia for the font. You can change the effects, Office 20. You don't need to know anything about this, but the thing is important. You can use colors, and for background slide, this is something that modification we don't need to learn them now. But the thing is you need to know is how to create a easy template. Now we use an easy template from our PowerPoint that we have. Okay, now let's go and try to create our PowerPoint. Let's say we want to create a PowerPoint about for example, about Napoleon Bonaparte, Napoleon fights in 3 paragraphs. We think we are going to create a PowerPoint about Napoleon Bonaparte's fight. We go to Copilot, and as Copilot is a free AI from Microsoft, we can use it. It's something like ChatGPT. Okay, after that it created, we copy the message, paste them here. We have the text here. After that, what we should know, we should create a new slide. As you can see, the new slides are changed. It have some templates that we can use. At first, we use the title slide. We have here the title slide. We delete this and create a new slide called the title slide. And here, for example, we write Napoleon Bonaparte. Paste it here. And here, we put the name of the presentation. Learning Start. I tell you, this is a very simple tutorial for the beginners. I'm gonna create a complete course for you to learn how to create templates, and I will give you a complete tutorial about design, transitions, insert, animation, slideshow, about all these windows. But for now, it's good to know how to use it. Okay, we create our title page. Now we need to insert another page for our content. Let's go and create our page for our content. Our content is a text and a title. Here, let's see what the most renewed military leader. We copy that, we paste it here as a title, we make it, and then we copy this paragraph and paste it here. Now we have our first slide. For second slide, we just go to insert. For example, let's insert some slide with pictures. Let's do this. Okay, we need to add the pictures. We just go to Google and search Napoleon Bonaparte. We go there and we just easily wait a little for the image to come up. We easily copy that image and paste it here, as beautiful as you can see. And then what we do, we go here and copy the image address. It's important in your presentation that save the address that the image come from. We create the image and we create the image. Just put the image here, but the things we can, by using here, decrease the font size of our link. We decrease it to don't make our slides, let me say, bad looking. And then copy the next paragraph and paste it here. You can see we have the next paragraph. Eventually led to overreach. Let's say, for example, Russia and Napoleon. For this title, Russia and Napoleon. Okay, this is good for this slide. I think we read it right. Okay, it's good. Russia and Napoleon. No, now let's go and insert another slide. Let's say it's a text only slide, for example, like this. We go here, we copy this text and paste it here. Okay, that text is here. Now we put the Napoleon's legacy here as a title. As you can see, our slide is ready and it's really beautiful to show. Let me show you. You can present it here everywhere you want, but it's not too good. Let me do just some simple modification that make your presentation on another level. At first, go to this text, and as you can see, click here to centralize your text. This text is centralized. Go here and centralize your text. After that, go to shape format and just click here. It makes your text more noticeable. Okay, it's good for now. We don't want to make it complex, but it's okay. Now we want to make just some transition and end it. How to add transition? We go here, and for each slide we just set push. Now what we should do, we should just add page slide. A slide number, you go here, insert in, and then a slide number, and click here, apply to all. And as you can see, each slide has a slide number now. Now your presentation is ready. You can see it. It's as beautiful as it can be. You see, it's really amazing and beautiful. You can see, you can give it a presentation on your school or university or job or everywhere else. But it's an really easy, and let me say, it's a beginner template of PowerPoint. We can do it better. But before I tell you more about it, let's see how to save it. Go here, click here, and then this PC, desktop, or a place you want, then save it easily. Now we have saved our presentation here. And if you're going to give it to another one, you can save it in another ways. I'm going to tell you more about everything in a complete course that I created. It's the lesson we have today is very beginner, and it's for the ones who don't know anything about PowerPoint. But I'm going to create a complete course on it and tell you everything from shapes, icons, 3D models, to smart arts. We can do something really amazing. For example, I can go to animation and just show that it's fly in, and if you watch your presentation, it looks like this. It's amazing how we can make a great animation for our slide and presentation, or we can set times and many things. And I will show you how to create a complete templates and theme for your PowerPoint presentation. If you like, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have many templates, around 400 templates created in my channel, but I'm going to create a tutorial on the PowerPoint, and after ending the tutorial, I'm going to create many templates for you with speaking and with voices. The template that I make in past didn't have any speeches. They are voiceless, but I'm going to make them great for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate your help and support. Have a good day.